Let's say you recorded two different clips from your vacation, your kid's birthday party, or a special moment, and you want to turn them into one smooth video to share with your family or post online. This tutorial shows you how to do exactly that in a quick and simple way. As you can see, I have two videos in my photo gallery from my recent trip to Rome and Italy, and let's say I need these two videos as a single video. Well, we will be using a free application called CapCut, and this app is available on both iPhone and Android devices, and the application link will be in the description of this video. So I've now opened the CapCut editing app, and you'll then want to tap on this New Project option right here. This will open your photo gallery where you'll want to select the videos which you want to add. You can add 2, 3, or as many videos as you need to. Once you select them, tap on the Add option in the bottom right corner of the screen. The last step is to tap on Export right here, and then wait a couple of seconds until the video saves into your photo gallery. I'm now going to open my photo gallery, and you can see that the two videos are combined into one. Make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one.